Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher Edjane. Before starting our class, let's play a music, okay? Come on with me. Hello everyone, come and play. It's going to be a happy day. Do a high five and boogie on down. Clap your hands and turn around. Do a high five and boogie on down. Clap your hands, now sit down. Hello everyone, how are you? Are you happy? Are you sad? I am happy. Yes. Today, I would like to know what is your favorite color? Yes. I love all the colors, but my favorite color is yellow. Yes. Now, let's sing a song. What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color? Tell us, please. Is it orange? Is it brown? Is it purple or pink? Everybody, think, think, think. Is it red? Is it yellow? Is it green or blue? We like colors. How about you? Now, take your book on page 11 and color the splashes just like the top sequence, okay? Orange, orange, brown, brown, purple, purple, pink, pinky, red, red, yellow, yellow, green, green, blue, blue. Then draw and paint it with your favorite color. Yes! Vocês vão pintar a sequência das manchinhas de tinta aqui embaixo, iguais as cores em cima, ok? E no meio, vocês vão fazer um lindo desenho e pintar com a sua cor favorita. Ok? Thank you! I'm so happy for you today. Bye bye, my dear teacher. Bye bye, bye bye to you. I'm very, very sad to say bye bye to you. Choo-doo-doo-doo, choo-doo-doo-doo, choo-doo-doo-doo.